We'll guide you through how to send SMS with Zapier. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. You need to log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Zapier dashboard. From here, you'll want to click on the Create Zap button to start making your automation. In the Zap editor, you'll first select a trigger app. For example, if you want to send an SMS every time you get a new email, you would choose your email service as the trigger app. Set up the trigger by selecting the specific action, such as New Email. Follow the prompts to connect your email account and test the trigger to ensure it's working. Next, you'll add an action step by clicking on Add Action. Search for SMS by Zapier in the Action app search bar and select it. Choose the action event, which in this case would be Send SMS. Connect your SMS by Zapier account if it's not already connected. You'll be prompted to enter the phone number where you want the SMS to be sent. Make sure to include the country code for the number. In the message field, you can type out the text you want to send. You can also click on the pushing button to insert dynamic data from your trigger, like an email subject or sender's name. This helps personalize the SMS you're sending. Once that's set up, click on Test and Review to make sure everything is working as expected. If the test is successful, you can turn on your Zap by clicking Turn on Zap at the top of the editor. Your Zap is now live and will automatically send an SMS each time the trigger event occurs. Congratulations, you've successfully set up SMS automation with Zapier. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.